Hi everyone, and welcome to our QL-300 routine maintenance video on how to clean the print unit. You'll need the following supplies to complete this maintenance. Power off the printer. Open the top cover of the printer. Carefully remove the toner cartridge holder and place on a clean surface. Fully cover the toner cartridge holder with a dark cloth to protect the image drums from exposure to light. Release the two transfer belt retaining latches by turning them 1/4 turn counterclockwise. First, lift the right side of the transfer belt at an angle. Then lift the left side to remove the transfer belt from the printer and place it on a clean surface. Now lift and remove the paper guide feed unit by lifting the metal handle marked with a blue strip. Fold a lint-free wipe and moisten it thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol. Use a new moisten wipe to proceed with the cleaning. Wipe the exposed two pairs of rollers while turning by hand until the entire surface around the roller is clean. Wipe each of the 6 rollers on the end of the assembly, turning by hand until the entire surface around the rollers is clean. Repeat the process for the 2 pairs of exposed rollers in the printer chassis, taking care not to damage the plastic sensor arms. Lift and hold the sensor cover away from the main feed roller. Turn the main label feed roller by hand while cleaning the surface of the 2 roller pairs. Wipe the main feed roller from side to side, then partially rotate and wipe until the entire surface around the roller is clean. Take care not to damage the sensor arm located closest to the roller. Gently wipe the transparent plastic surface just below the sensor cover until the surface is clear and free of any debris or toner. Holding the metal handle marked with a blue strip, slide the paper guide feed unit into position from left to right and lower it in place once it's fully inserted. Press firmly down onto the paper guide feed unit until the latch clicks down into its locked position. Next, reinstall the transfer belt by lowering the left side into position first, while holding the right side so the belt is at an angle. Note the position of the white gear engagement and corresponding red arrows when lowering the left side into position. Slowly lower the right side of the transfer belt until it's fully seated, then turn the 2 transfer belt retaining latches by turning them 1/4 turn clockwise. Reinstall the toner cartridge holder by slowly lowering it into the guides. The holder should be completely flush with the printer. Otherwise, you could damage your print unit. Close the top cover of the printer. Cleaning the fuser. During normal operation, the rollers within the fuser unit may accumulate stray toner and other debris, leading to print quality issues. Since these rollers are difficult to access for wiping, the process of cleaning these rollers is simplified by running a length of continuous plain paper material which will pick up any excessive buildup on the fuser rollers. Any suitable full-width continuous matte paper material can be used for this. Please contact your media sales specialist to obtain a fuser cleaning roll. Install the continuous paper fuser cleaning roll as you would any normal printable roll of labels. From the printer control panel, press Menu. Scroll down to 2, Print Information, and press OK. Scroll down to Page 2, and then scroll down to number 4, Cleaning Page, and press OK. Press OK to execute. If a message is displayed, simply press OK here. The media will begin to advance through the printer and will be cut at regular intervals. Any accumulated debris or toner in the fuser will be transferred onto the paper and will be visible. As additional material exits the printer, any visible debris should begin to fade. Repeat the fuser cleaning procedure as needed until the paper exits the printer without any visible marks or debris. And that's it! Now you know how to perform routine maintenance on the print unit of your QL-300. If you haven't seen it already, we've also recorded a video on how to maintain the unwind unit of the QL-300. If you have any questions, please contact tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com.